Hello, I remember you are. I was searching my name to the library. Kili Margaro, Alice English at the Room and the Brothers So, who are Alice Gar, teacher Mladi was on. For host drive me pitted down the local school.
Hello, Chair. Good evening.
You know, by chair Miyabi. When I host her, how about teacher? Kuga Listo go to Messi Amadrina look.
Hello, Chair.
Good
Good evening,
evening,
Chair.
How are you, everyone?
I'm good, Chair. Thank you, Chair. How about you?
How about you? Yeah, I'm fine.
Kuaro, Santa Sashina, and I have
Yeah, Mata. So teacher will read the first paragraph and I will let you read other paragraph, okay? So the first one is, I am going to tell you about my family. I live with my little sister, mom, and dad. So they are all together 4 family members, including Mata. So we live in London. Although I grew up in Lancaster, Lancaster is a beautiful city in the north of England. Okay. So, do you understand this, the first paragraph?
Yes, Chair.
Okay. So how many family members do they have?
Shama me and me won't jam
How many family members?
Shama Bami, there's another from
And where
Nana.
do they
Okay,
live?
since I be up
Where
here,
does
Mama
where
supposed to
did
be
Mata
testing
grow
out
up?
like appear 20. Mama said, my girl, yet do not pure my like your
First
message.
paragraph.
Need never survive.
So in the first paragraph, so this is Mata family, right? Mata lived with her little sister, her mom and dad. So how many family members?
4.
4. So they are all together, including Mata, 4, right? And she lived with 3 family members, with her little sister, with her mom and dad. Okay. So where do they live? Where do they live currently?
They
Where do
live
they
in
now?
London.
They live in London. But where did she grow up? Where did Mata grow up?
Mata grew up in Lancaster.
Okay, Lancaster. What kind of city is Lancaster and where is it?
Lancaster is a beautiful city in the north of England.
Okay, so Lancaster is a
Where
beautiful
Shama
city.
Sasha
Where
and Pidalo, a little go
she
so
loves
kind
playing
of
the piano
level.
and she's good at dancing. So she wants to be a professional musician. So do you understand that paragraph?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the last paragraph, I want Alice you to read. Alice, let's read. I've got short.
Yes, sir. I got short blonde hair like my dad, bad brown eyes like my mom. We all love playing board games together on Friday evenings, and we always order pizza. Our favorite game is Monopoly. Oh, I almost forgot. We also got a pet cat, Snowball. She all white and has got a lot of fur. She likes sleeping on me. Right, but John, please tell me about your family too.
Okay. So she is writing a letter to her friend.
Kuaro, let's go by Shani, by Sala, the dear desire, baby.
Hold on.
အခုကကျတော့ဆီယာမကိုစောင့်နေရပဲဖြစ်ပါတယ်စောင့်နေနေဆီတင်ငယ်ချင်းတယောက်ကိုစာမင်းနေရပဲဖြစ်ပါတယ် အခုကနောက်တစ်ပုတ်ရောက်သွားပြီပေါ့နော်အဲ့အချိန်မှာ
Okay.
နောက်တစ်ခေါက်ထပ်ဆိုခိုင်းနေပြီဖြစ်ပါတယ်သူဆရာမ session
But you have lots of free time. အဲ့တော့ကျောင်းနေမှာ free time ရှိတယ် free time ရှိတဲ့အချိန်မှာ you cannot make money, so you do not have money. But if you have money, if you work, you don't have free time, like us. Oh, so do you understand the first paragraph? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so second paragraph.
ကဒုတိယအပုတ်ကိုဘယ်သူဆိုမှလဲလို့မိတဲ့အချိန်မှာ Alice ဆိုမယ်ဆိုပြီးတော့ပြောလိုက်တာပဲ
Every morning.
Every morning I go to the gym and I read in the afternoons, but I still have a lot of free time. Going to the gym takes me about 2 hours, including the road time and the post-gym shower. And I usually read for 1 hour. Another activity that I do is watch documentaries. I study history and I love historical documentaries. I learn a lot from them. I watch
โอเคကျွန်တော်လေး
documentaries
တစ်ခုဝင်ပါမယ်
for
ဒီလိုမျိုး
1
daily
and a half
vlog တွေကိုကြည့်ချင်နေဆိုရင်တော့ Alice
four or
Channel လေး
5
ကို
times a week.
for like and subscribe လုပ်ခဲ့ပြီးဖို့အတွက်တောင်းဆိုချင်ပါတယ်ဒီနေ့ vlog ကြီးကကျွန်တော် Facebook တွေကြည့်ကြအောင်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ် bye bye